Ruian Heng Xiong Electric Company Limited, established in 1990s, is a leading manufacturer and supplier of hydroponics equipments, such as grow light reflector, electronic ballast, grow tent, carbon filter, inline fans, and others. The products have passed CE, ROHS, NEMCO, and ETL certification. We have won widespread praise and recognition of customer satisfaction in the past years. With over 10 years' experiences in the fields of hydroponics and indoor grow, now we play a leading role in grow light industries, both home and abroad. If you're interested in our current products or want to have us as your R&D department, please do not hesitate to contact us. We hope to establish a long-term partnership with you.
Grow your business with Chin Up.